Good evening, good evening. Hope everybody is doing well. I'm kind of relaxing. Finished a day of workshops talking about employment fundamentals here in Anchorage, Alaska at Joint Base Amadorf Richardson. And so I used the term today in my class, for my participants. I used the term measure twice, cut once when you're talking about career options and job fair. And so we hear that term when doing like woodworking, right? Measure twice, cut once. Trust but verify. Make sure that the first measurement is correct before you cut, right? So measuring, making sure that's correct, so I cut. So I don't want to make that mistake. And what does that mean in the job search, in the career options, right? That means I'm going to make sure before I go down this path and going into this industry that I'm absolutely sure I want to go down this path. I'm going to do informational interviews. I'm going to talk to people. This is what I'm about to study in school. I want to make sure that when I graduate, when I go into the industry, that this is something I'm going to like. I'm going to measure twice and cut once, right? I want to absolutely make sure if somebody tells me something, I've got to take that assumption and turn it into a fact. I got to measure twice and cut once, right? To make sure that I am going in the right direction, right? If I don't follow directions, right, I miss my exit, right? That means I didn't measure twice. I only measured once. And so I wasn't sure about the direction that I was going into, right? You ever been in the highway, wasn't sure, miss your exit, and then you see a sign that says next exit 10 miles? That is not measuring twice and cutting once, right? So make sure that before you go down a path, let's say you've never been before, you're transitioning, you're going in a different direction, you want to work for a specific organization, go to a specific industry, make sure you measure twice to cut once. All right, so have a good, relaxing evening. I hope you're enjoying yourself this midway mark for the week, right? And I will see you on Finish Strong Friday. Have a good evening.